Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. We are out on the balcony today, and that usually means, for my channel at least, that we're going to be doing some repotting. And I'm repotting this special baby today. This is my latest wish list plant that I got, the Rhaphidophora Tetrasperma. And I'm going to repot her in this brand new pot that I got at Home Goods. And she's also going to get a moss pole that I made. So I'm going to tell you all about that in just a minute. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get to it. Okay, so I have not watered this Tetrasperma in a little while, because I wanted the soil to be somewhat dry when I repotted her. Okay, this is a 6-inch pot that she's in right now, but I want to move her into this 8-inch pot that actually I got at TJ Maxx. And I see that here for $8. And it does have a drainage hole in it. I'm going to be using my soil mix, and I'll leave a link below to what my soil mix is. And then once I get her in the pot, I am going to be adding this moss pole. So let's get her out of this pot. She's got some really nice roots. Look at that. Really nice. It's a healthy plant. I think that's good. So with this type of pot, I have found sometimes that the soil can go through the hole and get kind of caught in this drainage lip here. So I don't have any screens to cover it. What I tend to use are good old coffee filters. Put that down at the bottom there and start filling it up. This mix here is made with cocoa coir, the brick that you add water and break up, orchid bark, perlite, lots of perlite, and I added some worm castings. That's what I've been using. Need to add some more. Go 1 or 2 low. This 8-inch pot will be just perfect for her. Let me mound it a little in the center so she can sit right on the mound. And I know that I'm going to put the moss pole back here because this is where she's growing, right there. So put her just a little bit towards the front there. Make sure that it gets down in there. Sometimes when you just jiggle it a little bit, that helps the soil get down in underneath the roots. be afraid to get your hands dirty. I leave about an inch from the top. Secure in there, she's not moving. Okay, now I could easily just leave her. Look at her newest leaf unfurling there. See that? Beauty. That's her newest one. She started unfurling that after I got her. Okay, so I want to put it right about here. Okay. And it will be secure with the side. And then I'm going to tie her up right here. Just use some twine. You can use the Velcro if you want. I don't have any, so I'm just going to use the twine. Don't tie it hard, nice and loose, but enough to keep her up there. Okay, if I can do it. I'm going to put some rocks right here. I'm going to put some rocks right down in here. That will help hold the pole. Oh, these were in the sun. They're hot. Okay. Now, these are fast growers, so as she starts growing up the pole, I can add another pole to the top. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you. Okay, so here we have her. Okay, and then as she grows, I'll just add more twine and continue securing her to the pole. If you want to see the video for how I make these moss poles, I'll leave the link down below and up here in the cards also. And if you want to see the haul video that I did with all of these pots, I got like 10 pots, then I will leave that link below also. But she is in her new home. She's going to love it. I'm going to give her a drink of water right now. Even though the soil is a little bit moist, I'm going to give her a drink of water and then place her on her stand. Okay? So if you enjoyed this video, friends, please do like. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that red subscription button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos, okay? Thanks so much for being with me today, friends. I appreciate you. It's a hot day here in Phoenix, but I love doing these projects and having you along with me. So have a blessed day, friends. Bye-bye.